Being able to use multiple monitors for work is a game changer. Whether you're researching, writing, or just relaxing with some games, I always prefer having at least 2 monitors in my setup. For a long time, this meant being stuck at a desk, but now with so many portable monitors available, it's easier than ever to set up anywhere. Enter Cevaton's new innovative triple screen extender. This is the Cevaton S6 15.6-inch laptop screen extender. The device comes with 2 1080p IPS displays that can be connected to a range of devices, letting you show something different on each screen. For example, with MacBook Pros or Windows laptops, you can have 3 separate windows open at the same time. Maybe a spreadsheet on one screen, your email on another, and a photo editing program on the third. These are definitely shaping up to be a must-have for any laptop setup, but with a relatively higher price tag, the question is, can they offer more than just extra screen real estate? So the burning question is this product truly worth that asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. Now, unboxing this product was very enjoyable. The monitors come neatly packed in the box. When you open it, you'll find a variety of cables, including 2 USB-C to C cables, 2 USB-A to C cables, and 2 USB 2.0 to HDMI cables for connecting to older computers. By far the best thing included is the carrying bag. It's made of faux leather, and when you take the unit apart, it slips right into the bag perfectly. The cables can be neatly tucked into a pouch at the front, making it super convenient for travel. Now moving on to the design, this unit is built to be both versatile and pretty robust. The build quality is impressive, and the materials used feel like they're of a high grade. The backs of the displays even feature a carbon fiber-like design, which adds a nice little touch of flair to the overall look. My absolute favourite part about the S6 set is the number of possible configurations. I started with the basic setup with both monitors in landscape mode on either side of my laptop screen, as this likely is going to be what most people use. But trust me, it can do more, as I'll show in a bit. Thankfully, setting it up was super simple. Just slide each monitor into the right arm and they snap securely into place. I even tried wiggling them a bit to see if they'd slip off, but no, they stayed tight and didn't budge at all. Once I had the screen set up, all I had to do was extend the center of the stand, slide my laptop into place, and I was good to go. After that, it was just a quick plug-in of the cables and I was all set. The whole process was super simple and took no time at all. If you're looking for an easy way to maximize your workspace without any hassle, this setup is definitely a great option. The instructions actually come with guides on setting up 11 different orientations, which is pretty impressive. The stand can be adjusted to accommodate laptops up to 17 inches, but that really depends on the model. What's impressive about these screens though is that the stand offers up to 235 degrees of horizontal rotation and a 90-degree vertical tilt. This really opens up the potential and versatility of the setup because it makes it so much easier to switch between different angles. Whether you need to adjust the screen for a landscape view or tilt it for portrait mode, the flexibility allows you to seamlessly go from one to the other with minimal effort. Weighing just over 2 pounds per side, it's lightweight enough to easily move and adjust to your preferred setup. There really isn't too much strain to the main laptop hinge. The stand includes a kickstand that adds stability and makes it easier to use. One of my favorite setups is stacking 2 landscape monitors on top of each other. This layout is great for multitasking, letting you keep multiple windows or apps open without constantly switching tabs or resizing screens. It also saves desk space while giving you plenty of screen area, making it a game changer for productivity. The numerous configurations make it so easy to always find the perfect setup for my needs, no matter what I'm working on. Whether I need more screen space or just want to switch things up, it's simple enough to adjust. I really like that. Now, although I love the versatility of the stand, I'll admit I'm not a fan of the placement of the ports on the back of the monitor. Each display has a set of ports on the back plus a power button. You'll find 2 USB-C ports and an HDMI port on every panel. The ports are a bit tricky to access, and sliding the cables in smoothly can be difficult. I understand why they're placed this way. It keeps the cables flush against the back for a cleaner look, but it also makes it harder to see the ports and connect everything easily. It's not a deal breaker, but it can be frustrating, especially when setting things up quickly. Now, if your laptop has an IPS display, you probably won't see a big difference between these panels and your laptop screen. I will say I do wish the monitors were a bit brighter. 300 nits is okay, but at least 500 would have been better, especially for the asking price. They worked fine for photo editing, especially with the 120% color gamut, but a little extra brightness would have been the cherry on top. That said, while the brightness is a bit of a letdown, the full HD panels are still crisp and fantastic for everyday tasks like browsing, work, or watching videos. They deliver solid performance even if they're not the brightest out there. The blacks are pretty solid, not super deep and inky, but definitely good for the price. The whites are clean, and as mentioned, the text is sharp and easy to read. Now, all in all, I think the Cevaton S6 screens are a really solid choice for the average workaholic. Its portability makes it easy to set up just about anywhere, whether you're at a busy coffee shop or working from the comfort of your home office. The ability to connect multiple devices and personalize your workspace really boosts productivity, especially for those juggling multiple tasks at once. The display quality is pretty impressive, offering vibrant colors and sharp resolutions. While the brightness has been a bit of a letdown, if you're planning to use these in a glare-free environment, the Cevaton still proves to be a great investment. So if you're on the lookout for a portable dual screen setup, you really can't go wrong with the endless possibilities these offer. They really are a solid choice for boosting productivity on the go. As always, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.